Okay, good morning students. Today we have to discuss the topic roots of higher degree polynomial equation. If we have a polynomial higher degree, for example x power 4, x power 6 and anything. So we have to solve this type of solution. Okay, right. Imaginary or third roots. Next heading, imaginary or third roots. The imaginary roots may be occurred. So that's why imaginary or third roots. Now we discuss the example 3.15. Example 3.15. Page number 114. If 2 plus I and 3 minus root 2 are the roots of the equation, are the roots of the equation. Which equation? X power 6 minus 13, x power 6 minus 13, x power 5 plus 62, x power 4 minus 126, x power 3 plus 65 x squared plus 127 x minus 140 equal to 0. This is the equation. This is the 6th degree polynomial. So we want to find 6 roots. We want to find 6 roots. There are 2 roots are there. Now we want to find the rational root theorem and the irrational root theorem. One root is 2 plus I. One root is equal to 2 plus I. This is maybe alpha. And other root is 2 minus I. Now we have to form the quadratic equation for this root. Sum of the roots. Sum of the root is what? 4. Cancel these two terms. And the product of the root. Product of the root is what? 2 square minus I square. That means 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. 2 square plus 1 square. That means also directly we can write 4. This is 2 square. A plus B into A minus B. This is A square minus B square. A square means 4. And b square minus b square means minus I square. Minus I square means minus 1, so plus 1 is equal to 5. So this is the value of 5. Therefore we form the quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 5. And another root is there. This is the complex root. Here one root. This is the rational root. One root is equal to 3 minus root 2. And the other root is 3 plus root 2. Now sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is equal to what? Cancel these two terms, totally 6. Okay? Right. And the product of the root is what? Product of the root means 3 square minus root 2 the whole square. This is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. A square means 9 minus root 2 square means 2 which is equal to 7. The another quadratic factor x square minus 6x plus 7. These are the two factors. Now we have to multiply this. X square minus 4x plus 5 into x square minus 6x plus 7 which is equal to, now take x square, 2x square, the answer is x power 4 first term, and minus 6x cube and plus 7x square plus 7x square, and take minus 4x. Minus 4x cube and minus into minus plus 24x squared, 24x squared and minus 28x, then plus 5x squared and minus 30x plus 35 plus 5 into 7 35 and minus 5 into minus 6 or minus 30x. Now you have to simplify these two terms. X power 4, here minus 6x cube minus 4x cube minus 10x cube, and this is 7x square plus 24x square plus 5x square. That means what? This is 12x square plus 24 plus 36x square. 12 plus 24, 36x square. And constant x term is there. Minus 58x. Minus 28x, minus 30x, minus 58x. The constant term is only 35. Plus 35. So what are the factor? X power 4 minus 10x cube plus 36x square minus 58x plus 35, which is the factor. Now we want to refer this sum and I erase it. Now we want to divide this factor by this factor. So now we shall go to division of this factor by this value. What are the factors? X power 4 minus 10x cube plus 36x squared minus 58x plus 35 plus 35. Now we want to divide. I use the synthetic division method. First of all, this is x squared. X square and x power 4, x power 6 minus 10 x power 5. Multiply these terms by x square and plus 36 x power 4 minus 58 x cube plus 35 x squared. Subtract these terms, minus plus minus plus minus. So cancel this one. And what are the values? Minus 3x power 5. Subtract these two terms, minus 3x power 5. And this term will be, what is the value? Plus 36. Actually, 36 means 26. Here 26 x power 4. Here 26 x power 4. Subtract these two terms because 62 is plus. And this one is, what is the value? Plus 68. Here plus 58 and minus 126 minus 68. Minus 68 x cube. And these two terms plus 30 x squared. And take downward to this term 127x, 127x. Again this term is minus 3x power 5, so minus 3x. Here x power 4, multiply minus 3x to this term, minus 3x into x power 4 means minus 3x power 5, and minus into minus plus 30x power 4 and minus into plus minus 108 x cube and minus into minus plus 174 x squared, and this term is minus 105 x. 3 into 35, 105 x. Now cancel these terms. This we have to minus. This is plus and minus. This is plus, minus, plus. So cancel these two terms. So what is the value here? Minus 4 x power 4. Cancel this, subtract these two terms. Minus 4 x power 4. And this term will be plus 40 x cube. And this term will be minus 144 x squared. And this term will be plus 232x. 232x. Add these two terms. 105 plus 127, 232. And minus 140. Take minus 140 to downwards. Here, the first term is minus 4 x power 4. So, we have to write minus 4. Minus 4 x power 4 and minus into plus 40 x cube. Minus into minus plus 40 x cube and minus 144 x squared and minus 4 into 58. So 232x and minus into plus minus 4 into 35 140. 4 into 35 140. Here. Now we want to change the sign here. Plus, minus, plus, plus, plus. Cancel all terms. This is cancel. This also cancel. This also cancel. Minus plus and this also cancel. So this also cancel. The total value is 0. Right? 232x. This is plus term, actually this is minus. So totally 0. Right? Now we get the factor x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. This is the quadratic factor. Now we want to find the value of this factor, roots of this factor. Minus 4, here minus 3. What is the value? 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is 4. Now this is a minus term. So minus plus. What are the value? X minus 4 and x plus 1 equal to 0. The roots are x is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 1 because minus 4 into 1 minus 4. Subtract these two terms. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. X equal to 4, x equal to minus 1 are the two factors. Already we have 4 roots. Therefore, the roots are 4 minus 1. Already in the question we have 2 roots. That roots are 2 plus I, 2 minus I, another roots are 3 minus root 2, 3 plus root 2. There are the 6 roots are the solutions. Okay, right. Refer the sum and we go to the next sum. Right. Next, polynomial equation with the even powers only. Next heading, polynomial equation with the even powers. If the equation has even powers, how to solve the roots? Example 3.16. Example 3.16. Solve the equation. Solve the equation x power 4 minus 9x squared plus 20 equal to 0. X power 4 minus 9x squared plus 20 equal to 0. So this is the fourth degree polynomial. How to solve the fourth degree polynomial? First let x square the whole square minus 9x square plus 20 equal to 0. Let us consider x square is equal to y. Let us consider x square is equal to y. Because this is the fourth degree polynomial. So y square, now replace x square by y square minus 9y plus 20 equal to 0. What are the factors? This is also a quadratic equation. What are the factors? 20 minus 9. So minus 5 and minus 4. Minus 5 minus 4. Totally minus 9 and multiply these two terms 20. So what are the values? Y minus 5, y minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore y equal to 5 and y equal to 4. Now y equal to 5 and y equal to 4 are the roots of y. And we want to find the polynomial x in x. So replace x square by y here. Here y equal to 5. Means what is the value of y? X square. This is x square. Now x square is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus root 5. And the one more value is there. Y equal to 4. Y equal to 4. Y equal to x square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore the roots are 4 roots are there. The roots are x is equal to minus root 5 comma plus root 5 comma plus 2 comma minus 2 are the 4 roots of the equations. Okay, refer this sum and we go to the next sum. And the next heading has zero sum of all coefficients. The third type, zero sum of all coefficients. Zero sum of all coefficients. What is the meaning of zero sum of all coefficients? If we suppose the polynomial coefficients are the summation value is 0. So x is equal to 1 is a root. X equal to 1 is a root. What are? Suppose a polynomial given, the sum of the all coefficients is 0. If in the polynomial sum of all coefficients are 0, therefore x equal to 1 is a root. Okay, right. And how to find this value? Example 3.17. Solve the equation x cube minus 3x squared minus 33x plus 35 equal to 0. X cube minus 3x squared minus 33x plus 35 equal to 0. X cube minus 3x square minus 33x plus 35 equal to 0. Here sum of the coefficients, all coefficients, sum of the all coefficients is equal to, what is the value? What is the coefficient? 1 minus 3 minus 33 plus 35. So the total value is here plus 36 and minus 36, which is equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 1 is a root of the given equation. Directly we can take x equal to 1 is a root of the given equation. If x equal to 1 is the root means x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. Now divide this factor by this one. Divide the term x cube minus 3x squared minus 33x plus 35. The factor is x minus 1. First of all, we have to take x squared. X square into x cubed minus x square. Subtract this term. This is minus, this is plus. Cancel this one. What is the value? Minus 2x squared. Subtract this one. Minus 2x square and minus 33x. Minus 2 here. Minus 2 means minus 2x square. So minus 2x. Minus 2x squared and minus into minus plus 2x. Cancel this term. This is plus and this is minus. Totally cancel. And this term must be minus 35x. Minus 35x. And take 35 to downward. 35 plus 35. So what is the value? Here minus 35. Multiply minus 35 to x minus 1. Minus 35x. Minus 35x plus 35. Minus 35x minus into minus plus 35. Here this is plus and this is minus. Cancel this term. Also this term. Total value is 0. The factors are x square minus 2x minus 35 equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 35 equal to 0. This is the quadratic factor. Now we want to factorize this. Multiply minus 35 minus 2. What are the values? 7 5s are 35. 7 into 5 35 but minus 35. So minus 7 is there because the subtraction term is minus 2. So here the factor are x minus 7 and x plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 5. So totally here 2 roots. Already we have x equal to 1 is a root. Therefore the roots are minus 5, 1, 7. Minus 5, here 1, here 7. So these are the roots of the given equation. Okay, are you understand? Right, refer this sum and we go to the next sum. And one more heading is there. Equal sum of, and the second heading type 2. Already type we had to see type 1 and now type 2. Equal sum of coefficients of odd and even powers. Odd and even powers. If you suppose sum of the coefficients of odd and even powers are equal, therefore x equal to minus 1 is a root. This is the method of solving. X equal to minus 1 is a root. Okay. Now we discuss example 3.18. Solve the equation 2x cube plus 11x squared minus 9x minus 18 equal to 0. 2x cube plus 11x square minus 9x minus 18 is equal to 0. Here sum of the odd and even powers. Sum of odd and sum of even. The odd powers are x cube and x. So 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9 and even powers are coefficients of even power 11 minus 18. So what are the answer here? Minus 7. Also here minus 7. So both are equal. Therefore x equal to minus 1 is a root of the given equation. So this is the second type. Sum of the odd powers and sum of the even powers are equal. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 is a root. Now x equal to minus 1 is a root. The factor is x plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1 is a factor. Now we want to divide this factor by given equation. 2x cube plus 11x squared minus 9x minus 18. Here x plus 1. Now we want to find 2x. 2x square means 2x cube and plus 2x square. This is minus and this is also minus. Cancel this term. And this is 9x square. This is what? 9x square, and take minus 9x to downwards. So what are the value? Plus 9 plus 9x. 9x squared and plus 9x. Okay, this is minus, also this is minus. Cancel this term and this term must be minus 18x and take minus 18 to downward, minus 18. So plus, now here minus 18x, so here x, so minus 18. Multiply minus 18 to this factor. What are the value? Minus 18x and minus 18. So total this value must be 0 because this term cancel my plus and this term cancel by plus. So this is plus and minus, cancel this term. The factor is 2x square plus 9x minus 18 is equal to 0. Is the another quadratic factor. So how to solve this factor? Multiply minus 2 into minus 8 minus 36 and add 9. What are the product of the roots? This is minus 36 and 9. 3 into 12. 3 into 12 are 36 and subtract this one is 9. So this must be plus and this must be minus. Now here 2 is there. So minus 3 by 2 comma 12 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 comma 6. Therefore the factors are x minus 3 by 2 and x plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 3 by 2 comma x is equal to minus 6. The roots are already minus 1 is the root. So here minus 6 comma minus 1 comma 3 by 2 are the three roots of the equation. Okay, refer this sum. If you had any doubt, you can rewind this sum. Flip. This is very easy for that. So do the all homework. Thank you.